This is Cisco Cracker again. So I'm asking the question, if anybody else has heard this sound, if they leave theirs running long term, doing the spark plug and the screen thing, water's getting kind of nasty because I've been reusing this same container for quite a while now. But after letting this run a little bit longer, like in excess of a minute, minute and a half, it starts making this other harmonic kind of a sound that's like it's an echo kind of a sound. Aside from the plasma sparking up sound, you'll hear what I'm talking about.